students. Now just see this here, MCQ1 based upon haloalkane and haloalkane continuation. Okay, this is continuation of the topics earlier which I have discussed. Okay, now arrange the following compounds in the increasing order of the density, increasing order. So increasing order means one which has got the highest density should come out last. Okay, and see the thing how the sign is. So over here this MCQs are given to you. Now the options are given as A. 4 is greater than 1, greater than 1, greater than 2, and greater than 3. This is not correct because what happened? See the density here should be the one which has got the highest should be last. So the option number 2 you can see here. Option number 2, benzene list. Okay, then 1, yes, then 3. This has got the 2 chlorine and this is 1. Now see how I judge this density based upon the molecular mass of the what compound. So here chlorine and bromine, chlorine atomic mass and bromine atomic mass, if we add to this benzene, then this molecular mass of this compound will be highest. This will be next. After this will be this, and our list will be molecular mass benzene 78. Okay, so therefore the density increasing order will be which one? 2 is less, then 2 is benzene list, correct, less, then 1, this is 1, then 3, 2 chlorine, and then 3. So your correct option here will be B. Okay, so just check, huh?